Hi, my name is Tejas Srikiran. I have developed a serverless project and bus booking system. I have used the resources like AWS S3, API Gateway, Lambda, DynamoDB, and CloudWatch for the logs. And I have given permissions to all the resources for Lambda using IAM. And firstly, to begin with, I have deployed a website on AWS S3. We can see I have created a S3 bucket like booking bucket data where I have deployed the resources and we can access it through using the link. Yeah, here is the website and we can see the website where I have developed a static website. Later I have included the APIs where to get the list of buses like this, and we can we can book the data using the post API. I have included this the get API and post API in this static website, and now it became a dynamic website which can changes dynamically based on our input and outputs. And after S3 bucket, I have given a distribution to the S3 bucket through CloudFront resource. I have named my I have created a distribution and we can access the distribution using this link. Tab. Yeah, here is our website after creating a distribution. Later on I have created DynamoDB to store the data of the buses that we have I mean registered or booked online. So we'll show you DynamoDB tables. So yeah, I have created a table named bus bookings. You can see the details. I have created when we post our bus booking data, like when we want to book a data, when we book any bus, the data will be directly shown in the table. I will show you later on at the end of the video. And so yeah, here after creating DynamoDB table, I have created a Lambda function which manipulates all the resources in the AWS. I have created a Lambda function named book bus. So yeah, here is the code that that I have deployed previously, and I have given the IAM permissions to the Lambda function, which can access the other resources which are needed in this project. And later on, I have created APIs. I will show you. Yeah, I have created bus booking API where we can book buses based on our needs like super luxury, luxury, ordinary, and places accordingly. So yeah, I have created a API called post where the user can book their tickets online. So using Postman API, we can test our deployment link. So yeah, here is Postman, and I have selected a HTTP method like post, and here is the URL where we can see it in routes stages. We can see the URL in stages. Select stage 2. Yeah, here is the URL, and the endpoint is we can see in routes slash bus books. By using these two, here is the stage link and here is the end route point. By using this end route, we can make requirements as per our requirement. For this, the bus book functionality is to order, to book any ticket online. We can book bus number, user ID, enter user ID. I will enter 30759 and I have selected Super Luxury. By sending the request, yeah, it was successful request, and here we can see the message booking successful, booking ID it's randomly generated, and here status code okay, that means our request is successful. We have booked the bus ticket, and we can see our booking in the DynamoDB table which we have created previously. DynamoDB. So yeah, bookings and explore items. Yeah, we can see here, refresh. Yeah, we can see here 30759 which we have previously booked using 30759. Yeah, we can see the changes dynamically in the DynamoDB table using this. So we can book, we can add the extra features like GPS tracking and payment gateway, such resources, and we can see the logs using the CloudWatch. We can see all the logs here. And so yeah, we have previously used this where we can see the logs. Through logs we can monitor all the anomalies. So yeah, this is my project. In future, like I said, I want to add API gateway and GPS tracking of buses, so users can track their buses real time. And this is my project, and thanks for watching.